This video will show you how to replace the knock sensor on a GMC Sierra 2500 with a 6-liter engine. You're going to have one of these on each side of the engine. The process will be the same. Let's start on the passenger side. Now for the passenger side, as we make our way up along the side of the engine, we can see where our vehicle starter is. If you were looking just in front of the starter along the engine block itself, we can see the white electrical connector for our knock sensor. Let's go ahead and disconnect that. It has a locking tab up along the top area. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze that in. We should be able to dislodge this. It may be stuck in place. There's that. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion, of course. Now we can continue on with the removal of the knock sensor itself. This is held in place with one mounting bolt right in the center. Prior to loosening this, pay attention to the orientation of that knock sensor. It's down at an angle, and that's the way we need to have it for the installation. We're using a 13mm for that mounting bolt. Since we're working around our starter, we want to be extremely careful around our starter wiring harnesses. Go ahead and remove that knock sensor. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course we need to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surface. As you can see, we do have a lot of rust in this area. I'm just going to use some sandpaper. Let's make sure we have a clean surface. It's time to install the brand new knock sensor on the passenger side. When we do go to install this, you want to remember it was at an angle. We'll start in our mounting bolt. Once we have it at the proper angle, we can bottom it out. The torque for this will be 18 foot-pounds. Let's just make sure we're at the proper angle. Double check that angle before torquing. This looks good. Okay, we'll make our way in here carefully for our starter wiring harness. I have that torqued. I'm double checking to make sure it's secured. It should not move around in any way. Continue on with your electrical connector next. Just line up the locking tab area. We're pressing it in and listening for a click. There's our audible click, a light tug. That's definitely secured. Now we're over on the driver's side. If you look just above where your engine oil filter is, along the side of the engine, there's our other knock sensor. The process will be the same, and the torque is still 18 foot-pounds. Once you've completed the knock sensor that you aim to replace, start your vehicle, let it run, make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.